Wow. I really didn't even know the debate was going to be tomorrow, June the 27th, 2024. So Biden and Trump is going to debate tomorrow, CNN. I can't wait. I haven't drank a beer in a few days, so I'm going to stop by the corner store and pick me up a 6-pack for get ready for tomorrow, because this is going to be really interesting. I think it's going to be bigger than the Super Bowl. People have been waiting on this. I didn't even think Biden would even agree to a debate. But I'm going to show you what people are saying about it. Check this out.
The gloves are off and Joe Biden and Donald Trump are preparing to go head-to-head in the first presidential debate this week. Will it be a lively intellectual meeting of the minds or a lackluster gaffe-ridden snooze fest of two old men exchanging insults?
I think the last time they were together, about 70 million people watched. So this thing is... This is as big as the Super Bowl. This is sort of Grumpy Men 2, Mary's Rocky Balboa, you know, and of course all the pundits are saying that President Trump will go after the man's mental ability.
We saw Biden arriving at Camp David this week, allegedly for debate prep. What sort of prep do you think he's up to?
Well, look, it's a bit embarrassing, isn't it, to be starting prep so far in advance of the debate. I mean, I think that really says it all. I mean, you'd think as President of the United States and a very experienced politician for many decades that he would not need to start 7 days beforehand. But look, that's a sad reflection of the reality, that he's clearly in cognitive decline. That's very clear from numerous videos that the world has now seen multiple times. So it really is make or break, I think, for the president. So in that sense, I can understand why he's starting earlier, because everyone's going to be focusing on his ability.
Instead of preparing for the debate, Donald Trump has chosen to continue campaigning across the country, using his microphone to roast Joe Biden, reveals Sky News All-Star Paul Murray.
Donald Trump, he's not doing much debate prep. If he is, he's doing it in between rallies, because he's saying things like this at a recent rally today in front of tens of thousands of people.
He can fall off the stage. He can fall up the stairs. He falls up from 20,000 feet of paratroopers landing right in front of him. Everybody, all the foreign leaders, they're watching. And he turns around to look at a tree. Right? No. And then they say it was fake. He was fine. And then the press goes along with it. They go along with it.
And Donald Trump doubled down at another rally, brazenly suggesting the president will be using drugs to help him through the debate.
Is anybody going to watch the debate? He's going to be so pumped up. He's going to be pumped up. You know all that stuff that was missing about a month ago from the White House? What happened? Who left it? Somebody left it there. I wonder, let's see, somebody left a laptop in an office of a gentleman who was supposed to fix the laptop from hell. He never picked it up, and somebody didn't pick up hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of cocaine. I wonder who that could have been. I don't know. Actually, I think it was Joe.
And as Biden is feverishly preparing, the Democrats are being slammed across the board for calling the debate and allowing the president to participate in light of his spate of recent humiliating gaffes.
Homeland Security Secretary, I'm not sure I'm going to introduce you all the way.
Now, of course, the White House is now claiming that these clips are cheap fakes and deep fakes. I mean, Kel, mate, if he is not juiced up to the eyeballs on Friday morning, I'll go heifer. He will be.
And Caleb Bond doubled down, saying Joe Biden's brain is mashed potato, despite the Democrats trying to gaslight everyone into thinking the president is cognitively fit.
That the bloke is an ageing chump with mashed potato for brains, and the Democrats don't want you to see that, and if you do, they want you to believe it's a cheap fake or a deep fake. By the way, here's another real deep fake video.
Sky News commentator Lucy Zelle agrees, slamming the Democrats for putting the president up for the debate.
Can I ask a serious question? Are the Democrats really that stupid to put him up for a debate? I mean, have they got a secret rabbit in their hat that we don't know
They've got
about?
an injection they
I'm
give him. They've
so
got an injection they give
confused
him.
by this.
On the State of the Union address, he was apparently reasonable for 60 minutes. They need to give him a larger dose because this is 90 minutes.
There's some concoction, I'll tell you that.
I don't know how the...
Wow.
Remember the 2020 presidential debates? Everyone expected him to fall over.
He did a
and
lot
die.
better than I thought. I remember
He was
that.
suddenly hyped up because it's only a short
Yeah, but
period
that's
of
4
time.
years
and
later,
they give him
Phil.
I think Biden's party is setting him up for failure. I think they probably want him to fail so they could put somebody else in, because Biden's going to get up there. He's going to stutter. I don't know if he's going to remember where he's at. But it's a quote say that if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. So they don't have any notes. So we're going to see. I would like to read some of the comments. And guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day.